Maybe the world is fair, maybe it's not. We cannot change the world, but we can change how we see it. In this world, we don't have much time. In this world, there will always be something. Something to do, something to improve, something to get, something to accept, something to learn, something to let go. In this world, maybe we won't find the answer to every question. We cannot fix every problem, but we can find the strength to pick ourselves up every time we fall down. It's not about how many times you get knocked down, it's about how many times you get back up. We all know that failures are a part of our journey, but still, we never actually see it that way. Failures are not something that should stop you or make you think that you are not good enough. You will only truly fail if you stop trying. So no matter what the problem is, no matter what the situation is, no matter how many times you fail or no matter how many times you find it hard to stay strong, just pick yourself up. Maybe there will be people around you who will support you, but कोई भी आपको वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं दे सकता जो आप अपनी लाइफ से खुद से चाहते हो. Ultimately, you are the only one who have to do all the hard work. You are the only one who has to put in all the effort that is required. Be your own savior. चाहे आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी हो जाए, no matter how hard things get or how bad things happen, just pick yourself up and keep moving. Ultimately, it's your responsibility. Stop expecting everything to get better. Maybe everything will get better at its own pace, in its own time. सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा, but stop waiting for that moment. Stop waiting until everything gets better so you can actually start living your life. Maybe अगर सारी चीज़ें ठीक ना भी हो तो भी हम अपनी लाइफ को आज से बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर कर सकते हैं. Do the things you always thought of doing. Create that opportunity that you have always been waiting for, because you will never get this time again. Stop trying to escape from everything. हम अपने आप से बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कभी कुछ करना नहीं चाहते, बट हम हमेशा अपने प्रॉब्लम से भागते हैं. वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू एस्केप फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. वी कैन एस्केप फ्रॉम आवर प्रॉब्लम्स, वी कैन एस्केप फ्रॉम आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, वी कैन एस्केप फ्रॉम आवर फीलिंग्स, वी कैन एस्केप फ्रॉम आवर सेल्व्स, वी कैन एस्केप ऑल वी वॉन्ट. बट नो मैटर हाउ मच वी एस्केप, इन द एंड वी विल हैव टू फेस इट एनीवे. इन द एंड, चाहे आज हो या कल, हमें वो सारी चीज़ें फेस करनी पड़ेगी. बिकॉज समटाइम्स इन लाइफ द एक्चुअल चेंज or the actual growth comes from those things we are running away from. Stop running away. See, it's true that we cannot figure out each and everything at once. हम सारे problems के solution एक साथ नहीं ढूंढ सकते. But what we can do is to focus on the things that we can control right now. We cannot change what has already happened, but we can change what we can do. We can still change what will happen. All the problems are your responsibility, so start facing them. Just focus on one step at a time. Stop trying to find the solution to every problem. There will always be something. कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा रहेगा. Most of the time चीज़ें हमारी अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होंगी, and it's okay. We don't have to overanalyze everything. We don't have to find the solution to each and every problem. हमें लगता है कि हम एक साथ सारी चीज़ें ठीक कर देंगे, हम अपने लाइफ के सारे प्रॉब्लम्स एक साथ सॉल्व कर लेंगे. Just focus on one thing at a time. All we need to do is to keep trying to improve, keep trying to do the right things. Remember, there is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in. Just keep believing in yourself. Everything will be okay.